Masayang nagbibigay ng update si Ellen Adarna tungkol sa bagong chapter ng kanyang buhay matapos ang hiwalayan nila ng asawang si Derek Ramsey. Sa video ay sinagot ni Ellen ang ilan sa mga tanong ng netizens, at isa na nga dito ay ang regalong mamahaling kotse ni Derek kay Ellen noong first wedding anniversary nila ni Derek. Matatandaang noong September 7, 2022 ay isang light blue Bentley na nagkakahalaga ng 11 million pesos ang niregalo ni Derek at dineliver sa bahay nila sa Muntinlupa. Narito ang ilang update ni Ellen tungkol sa kanyang buhay at comment din tungkol sa dating partner na si Jan Lloyd Cruz.
Day, 15 days lang yung restraining order, tapos na yung restraining order na dahil. Okay. Ano gusto niyo ng resibo? Whoosh! She's still alive! Who said? Buhay pa pala yun? May niniwala pa doon. Christy Verman. Well, can't blame her. Close yun sila eh. Kataunon siya kay Day. Buwan dyan yung kanatawa dun niya sa una to. Siya, you're not allowed. Teacher Ryan, you're not allowed in the house. You cannot go inside. Yung alihan yung door. Sapat yun. Palusot na siya. My tummy hurts. Yung mga nag-sure. Sige, tawagon ako yung mama. If your tummy hurts, no, it's okay na. It's okay na. I feel okay na. It's okay na. Hindi siya gumapalusot. Teacher Rai, you know what? My mama is selling the piano now, so you don't have to come back. But he was only 5. He was a child, a baby. Now that he's 7, he's accepted it, and it's accepted that it's part of his life. Guy, I'm always calm. I've always been calm. And if you ask my friends and my nannies who's been there with me in my past relationships, I am not a shouting type. So, diba? Nasa Taiwan, na nag-ingon ako nga, why am I recording daw without his consent? Why? Did I give him consent to shout at me? Kung di ka ganahan ma-recordan, ayaw pag sagit-sagit. It's my only way to protect myself. Babae, di ako. Diba? Kasi hadlo kay dahil, what if na yung tabo? Laki, kusog, kusgan ba yung laki? So, unsa man imuhang bout, diba? So, yun na. Kung dili ka ganahan mabidyohan kasi mong kabuang, di ayaw pagbuang-buang. Pagtarong og storya. Mura na simple. Do they feed me? Do these bashers feed me? Do they pay for my bills? No. No. And I did not grow up in an environment na my father and my mom fighting, shouting at each other. No. I never heard my father shouting at my mom. So, akong childhood with my parents, like, peaceful and calm. Like, my father was a very calm person. So, when I hear shouting, it's not okay. It's not okay for me. It's not normal for me. It's not normal. But I have friends who grew up in an environment na ang parents pagsigig-away. So, that kind of situation, shouting, fighting, is normal. So, but me, no. I had a peaceful childhood with my parents. I believe in mother's love. A mother's love is the highest form of love. Yes. The only times din na hindi yan nakapunta is when he's abroad or he has work. But he's always present sa mga kahit maliit na he's there. More na, at least I can say, I tried, been there, done that. There's no point. It's just paper. And if you check and research about why marriage exists, the history of it, I'll screenshot and you can dive deeper into it. So, okay, of course, I did my research, like, why? Unsa man din pakasal pa man taon ko. So, na-research ko. So, mga dito. So, funny story. Ano no? Katong pagkuha na nako sa benti. Yan na yan, boy. Ay, ma'am, may babayaran. Kunin mo lang sa kasa. May babayaran kasi pina-service ni sir. Okay. Nga, gikuha naman siyang boy. So, nakunin ko sa kasa. Karon pagkuha na ko sa balay, waray 1 hour. Text yung boy, ma'am, i-deposit mo na lang sa account ni sir with the bill for the second time. Sandan ko bill for the second time. So, okay. So, nitawag ko sa iyang mga ex-friends. Ex-friends lagi niya. Ang gichikan, huy, ako gipabayad sa service nga 65,000 na. Doon ako billionaire ni inyong igo. But anyway, matong chika. Okay, mabayad ko with it. Na-busy lang ko this week when moving on. But wait lang. Ay, sobrang peaceful na ng life ni Gali. And, hi gal, see you soon.
Matatanda ang kamakailan din ay hindi napigilang mag-comment ng aktor na si Nico Loco tungkol sa pagre-record ni Ellen Adarna sa mga oras na galit si Derek Ramsey. Ayon kay Nico, recording someone getting angry without their knowledge and then proceeding to act calm, hoping mati-trigger sila, doesn't make you innocent. Kalmado ka kasi alam mo may recording. Halata rin na may balak yung nagre-record. Pero tulad ng sinabi ni Ellen, hindi siya lumaki na may sumisigaw sa bahay nila, at madalas ay kalmado talaga siyang magsalita. Samantala, patuloy namang magaganda ang sinasabi ni Ellen tungkol sa dating partner na si Jan Lloyd Cruz. Ayon kay Ellen, maayos si Jan Lloyd bilang ama ng kanilang anak. Nilinaw din ni Ellen na hindi niya pinipilit na suportahan ng mga tatay ng kanyang anak na magbigay ng pera. Dahil dito, tuloy ang suporta ng mga fans ni Ellen sa kanyang panibagong buhay. Samantala, ilang mga photos pa rin ni Derek Ramsey ang makikita sa Instagram ni Ellen. Ito ay ang mga photos noong baptism ni Baby Lily.